So it's going to be a quick video showing the stages of the repair on a modern car. Unfortunately, this is a Mazda. As you can see, there's a significant amount of rust around the wheel well here, and the hole extends down there, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld an angle iron or angle steel, whatever, here conforming to this curve, and then I'm going to use this line as a template and just weld another piece on top, and we'll be done. The idea is simple, but it's a lot of work. It's unfortunate that I have to fight with these modern cars, but well, I guess in life you can't have everything you want.